in a way from the shoulder up to the skull and then to the spine and down to the lower spine. And it's descriptive of the muscles' attachments to the bone. So again, you look at the body and look at the back especially, it can be confusing. And knowing the attachments and insertions, origins and insertions, will give your work more purpose. So don't let it confuse you. Just bite off a little piece at a time to learn. But knowing the muscle's function and where it attaches to the bone will really give your work a lot more strength and a lot more purpose. So it's funny, like when you start doing art and you're young, and there's sort of like a blissful ignorance to it because you don't really know what you don't know. So a young talented artist could sort of copy the back and make something sort of impressive. But hopefully what happens as an artist in your development is that you get to a point where you're a little unsatisfied with yourself and you get bored with the results, or you get frustrated, and then you want to learn more. And that's a healthy thing. So the more you know, the more you learn, the more accurately you'll see the figure. And all of a sudden the bumps won't become confusing, they actually become what you're looking for. You don't have to rely on your talent anymore or your good eyesight for copying. Instead, you're going to rely on your knowledge base and your experience. And it doesn't matter if you lose some of your eyesight, you can still be a good artist because you know what to look for. So art's always a balance of what you can see, just in a sensory way, and what you know. But interestingly enough, the more you know, the more you see. So you can't really divorce the two, but it's an interesting debate to have. What's more important? Okay. Superficial muscles of the back. It's like a puzzle. So start with what you know. If the deltoids are easy, know that the trapezius is sandwiched between the deltoids. When you come down here, these S's represent the back of the scapula. So those are the shoulder blade bones. There are muscles on top of the shoulder blades that you'll see on the surface, infraspinatus and teres major. But basically, that category is scapula zone. This category is trapezius zone. And then below the scapulas and trapezius, you'll have the latissimus zone. So you have to kind of think you have to categorize it to make sense of it.